She is the true blessing that we have here. The same energy which was existing in her mother's soul is now present in Monica Madam's life. She is reflecting every thought of her mother, every deed that she does is just for you. To all the teachers, to all the students of this Geetanjali school, I'd like to remind you again and again that Madam ki personal life anante Geetanjali family. And the greatness of your Madam is that దేవుడికి మనం ప్రార్థన చేసుకోవాలి అని అంటే ప్రతి ఒక్క రోజు మాకు ఎంతో తృప్తినిస్తుంది. ఎందుకు అని అంటే ఎవ్రీ డే we are here to enhance the quality of your education,